In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to control who can view your question on Quora. If you want a little more control over the visibility of the questions you post, Quora makes that process very simple. Choosing the right audience can help you decide whether your question is visible more broadly or shared with a more limited group, depending on what you're comfortable with. This is especially useful if your question is personal, niche, or something you only want certain people to see. To get started, go to Quora and look for the question box on the homepage. You'll see the prompt that says, "What do you want to ask?" Click on that to begin creating your question. This opens the Ask window where you can type out exactly what you want to post. Before submitting anything, it's a good idea to pause for a second and review the visibility settings so you know who will be able to view it. Once the question window is open, look for the Audience Selector drop-down menu. This is the setting that controls who can see your question. Click on that drop-down menu to view the available options. Depending on your account and Quora's current layout, the wording may vary slightly, but the purpose is the same. It lets you choose the audience for your post before it goes live. After opening the menu, select your preferred audience. Choose the option that best matches how widely you want your question to be shared. This is the key step because your selection determines who can view the question once it's posted. If you're not sure which option to use, take a moment to read each one carefully before making your choice. That way, you can post with confidence and avoid sharing your question more broadly than intended. Once you've selected the audience you want, you can continue with your question and post it knowing the visibility has been set the way you prefer. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable you feel using the platform. And that's all there is to it. By starting a new question, opening the audience selector, and choosing your preferred audience, you can control who can view your question on Quora quickly and easily.